Jeep is doing good, other than we're really feeling the weight, but otherwise we're doing pretty good. How's the 4Runner?
Yeah, no doubt. Definitely felt a significant difference with having it all loaded up. But yeah, everything is looking good. Vehicle vitals are sharp. Nothing odd. Nothing sounds weird. Nothing's flying off the roof. So everything's looking pretty good. First time cutting on the gondolas. We've actually made an attempt 3 times prior to the day coming. Every time we've made it here, it's been closed for construction, something. So what do you think? Are you excited, babe?
I'm excited and nervous.
I'm super excited.
Julia?
Nervous.
So now that we're boarded, everybody's flipping out. Well, not everybody.
I'm not flipping out. I'm excited.
It's not everybody. It's mainly the ladies. The ladies are scared.
Can you sit here on this side, please? Please don't. Yeah. I'm scared. On your
We weren't going to run into all these mosquitoes till we hit like Wyoming or something, but I was wrong. So yeah, that explains all of this. But hey, as long as I don't get bit, I get these giant welts on my body and they're itchy.
Today on Chef's Kitchen in the Wild, we are cooking up Creole, no, it's Cajun style mix. We'll call it Cajun camping. Cajun camping, y'all. This consists of taters, salt, pepper, pepper jack sausage, hot links, wild rice, courtesy of Uncle Benny's, corn, and what else is in here? And shrimp.
Scheduling, we had to leave on 4th of July, so of course the campsite we have planned on is super full. So I mean, after a lot of searching, we finally found a spot. It's a little unorthodox, but hey, it's nice. We're here, we're in Colorado. babe.
Hi,
What you up to?
I'm drinking mahogany.
Now we're busy now or in a little bit?
What's up, Vic? What's going on? I don't know. You tell me. What you got on your face again?